It may seem that home buyers and sellers don't agree on much, but they share one important concern, that this transaction is ultimately successful. Hi, this is Roby Thomas with Realty Experts. This camaraderie is never more evident than during the appraisal process. It's only natural since the results of the appraisal can send the transaction spiraling out of control. Appraisers take into account many factors when determining the worth of a home. While some of these, such as location, can't be helped, there are things a homeowner can do to ensure that the home is appraised for maximum value. And here are the 3 tips. Number 1 is information. Information is always king. Like they say, content is king for data. Information is king to the appraiser for the house. Appraisers don't spend a lot of time in the home. In fact, the interior inspection typically takes 30 minutes or less. After inspecting thousands of homes, it does become quite easy to quickly assess the amenities in the house for seasoned appraisers. That isn't much to make a first good impression. You may have lived in it for 20 years or more or less, but the appraiser has to make that opinion after a 30-minute observation, taking notes, and that's difficult. It's easy for him, but it's hard to make the right number up. So have the list ready before the appraiser comes in. The first one should be a packet of information that you can hand the appraiser as soon as they speed out the door, because they move like that. As soon as the inspection is done, they're gone. So you must have that ready to hand over. This package should contain not only the basics about the home, but keep in mind anything that will help back up the buyer's offer. Include a fact sheet about the home with the address, the year the home was built, the square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and the size of the lot. Also, I keep a comparable sheet of the recent sales in the area, and I keep it handy, especially if you know of any of the for sale by owner homes sold, and if they've sold for a lesser valuation. That should be taken into consideration because they might miss it. For example, a home may have been sold to a relative, or the owners may have sold quickly to take a job out of town or pre-foreclosure. Yes, the appraiser has access to these recent home sales, but there's always a chance they may miss something due to the human error, and you want to avoid that by giving it to them. So create a list of any improvements you've made to the home, list them by date, and include contact information for the contractor who did the work to make it easier for the appraiser to contact them. Number 2, if it's broken, fix it. The appraiser will assign the home with what is known as an effective age, but this is largely based on the condition of the home and how well it has been maintained. This age may be older or younger than its actual age. Say you have a cracked window, threadbare carpets, some tiles falling off the showers surrounding the area, the vinyl tone in the laundry room, and the dog ate a corner of the fireplace hearth. But these items could still add up to an overall average condition rating, as the home is still habitable. However, your effective age will be higher, resulting in comparables being utilized which have the same effective age and resulting in a lower valuation by the appraiser. Fix anything that will age the home in the eyes of the appraiser, because perception is everything. You should watch that video in the link below too. Number 3 is give the home a quick cleaning. Most appraisers will tell you that it doesn't matter if your home is clean or dirty. It has no bearing on its value. We, on the other hand, know, that is you and I know, how illusions can sell, and if a clean house gives the illusion that the home has been well maintained, what harm can I do to clean it before the appraisal's arrival? I don't know about you, but before I trade in a car or a house or sell a house, I give it a thorough cleaning and a deep clean if preferable. Things like overgrown landscaping, soil carpeting, marks on walls, those do affect the value and are part of the property's overall condition rating. While some things impact a home's value more than others, The bottom line is that the process can vary by each appraiser, and you don't want to give that option to any appraiser. Anything you can do in these three areas listed, which I have mentioned to you here, have the potential to streamline the appraisal process and increase the value of your home. Plus, going through these steps prior to listing your home in advance will only help increase the number of potential buyers who are ready, willing, and able. And ultimately, selling your home for top dollar is what it's all about. If an appraisal came in lower, please watch the video that addresses that in the link below too. And as always, stay focused. Have a wonderful day.